Hi, this is my way of tying knots in rubber, and they don't come undone, and I've never had a break at the knot with this. Right, the things you need to do this first of all are a pair of these locking forceps. Right, can you see? Right, and they actually lock at the bottom when you click, and when they lock they grip the rubber at this end really tightly. Okay, you can get these from eBay for about £2.25, or you can get them from angling shops because fly tyers use them. You'll also need some rubber lube. I use silicone lube, which I get from Mike Woodhouse. This item isn't essential, but I get this from Mike Woodhouse as well. When I've tied the knot, I dip the knot into it and it seals and makes it so that it won't come undone even if it's got lube deep down into the knot. So it's just, you know, he sells it for sealing stuff that's got silicone lube on. You get the ends of the rubber and you trap them in the forceps, locking them in place. It's best if you can do this before you lube the rubber, but actually it will also work if the rubber's been pre-lubed, like if you've had a motor that's broken. Then I get some lube on my fingers and I rub it down the motor near the knot, like that. I've not done this videoing before, so I'm a bit cack-handed at it. Right, okay, stop for a sec. Right, what I do next is I get the rubber and I do an overhand knot, pulling it through like that, tighten it, and then leaving, I'll show you this, leaving the rubber dangling on the forceps, I pull the knot down it's hard to do on video, and down, and pull it as tight as I can, so that one knot is really tight up against the forceps. Right? You can see it's really tight up against the forceps. And then what I do is I do an overhand knot in the other direction. So that looks something like that. It's the overhand knot in the other direction. And then I pull that tight. Keep going, keep going, keep going, pull it tight and tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. As tight as I can, so each knot, you can see that's really tightly pulled that. Each knot traps against the other. Now, what I do to finish this is I get the powder that I got from Mike Woodhouse, and I just get the knot on the forceps and I just dip the end in, tap it so that you can see there's some powder on the end there, right? And then I give it one last pull tight. Blow the excess powder away, and then unclip the forceps. I'll try and move the camera. Right, and then you find that you have a knot that's really tight, and however hard you pull that, it won't undo. I'm pulling really hard on that, I mean to the point where it would almost break. And I've never had one of those knots come undone. So it's worth, I've never had one of those knots come undone. So it's just worth trying this method. Sorry for the quality of the video, but I hope you get the idea. Cheers.